Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine, which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Lantau bronze. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. And cascading on the sides, we'll see further sporty yet stylish features as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch silver alloys. To the rear, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening your powered tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast and versatile amount of boot space. You'll also be able to find easy to use accessible hooks on either side of your boot space, as well as plentiful storage space. To the rear, passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony grain leather seats with their own climate control systems, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 12-way driver memory and 10-way passenger heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel. Moving over, you will also see your 10-inch deployable Pivi Pro touchscreen and your lower screen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which we have here at our dealership. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.